If you ever wondered how I sounded at night, well, my voice cracks like this. This is how I sound at night. This is how I sound at night. I don't like sounding like that at night. And in the morning when I woke up, sorry, this has been weird. Ever since I woke up in the morning, my throat has been feeling pretty weird, pretty warm, pretty weird, and yeah. And I might be dancing. Part part 2. I don't know. Okay, see you in the next video in just a couple of minutes.